OpenAI has officially entered what is being called a code red situation after Google launched its new AI model Gemini 3. This is one of the most intense moments in the AI industry so far. In this today's video, I'll explain exactly what code red means and why OpenAI is reacting so strongly and what even makes Gemini 3 so powerful and that what is this AI battle means for you. Let's start with a phrase, code red, because it is important to understand this clearly. In many companies, the term code red is used to describe an emergency response mode, which means the company has identified a serious threat. Teams must stop less important work and all attention is moved to the solving the urgent issue. Decision making becomes much faster and more aggressive. So when reports say that Sam Altman declared a code red at OpenAI after Gemini 3 release, it does not mean panic. It means how OpenAI sees the Google's new model as something that could impact ChatGPT's dominance and they want to react to it quickly. To understand this, we need to look at what Gemini 3 actually does. Google has been working for years to challenge OpenAI, and Gemini 3 is the strongest model yet. Early tests and reports show that Gemini 3 performs extremely well in several areas. Advanced reasoning, Gemini 3 performs a better on complex reasoning and problem solving test. Even the multinodal intelligence. Well, the multinodal means it can read and understand text, images, videos and audios together. Gemini 3 appears to combine these inputs more smoothly than earlier models, and also it has achieved a significant speed improvements. User testing that model say the speed increase is very noticeable. Speed is important for professionals who rely on everyday, right? Well, it also holds the strong coding capabilities. In some of the coding benchmarks, Gemini 3 performs better than ChatGPT, which is a major area of competition. And Google's aggressive push. Google is promoting Gemini 3 heavily, sponsoring creators, releasing demos and positioning it as a strong alternative of ChatGPT. This combination of performance and marketing pressure is what triggers OpenAI code red response. And you might be knowing that even ChatGPT is lagging from some days, right? So this is a major drawback of ChatGPT, which I am also experiencing, and many of the people are feeling it. It's important to be accurate. Sam Altman has not said that he is scared. However, internal reports show that he told OpenAI employees that we are at critical moment for ChatGPT. Certain projects may need to be paused. Teams must move faster to respond to the competition. This does not show fear. Well, it shows the strategic urgency, a common response in the competitive technology industries. And to be honest, this competition is actually very good for the users like us, because when Google improves Gemini, OpenAI improves ChatGPT, and when OpenAI improves ChatGPT, Google upgrades the Gemini again, and this results in the more powerful AI tools, faster updates, better free features, improved creative capabilities, smarter reasoning, and new AI tools for students, creators, and professionals too. Well, this rivalry is accelerating innovation faster than ever before. And if you want a simple, clear explanation of AI tools and the news and the technology developments like this, make sure you subscribe this channel, because my goal is to help you understand the complex AI updates in the way that is easy to follow and all the AI tools which are genuinely helpful for your work, studies, and creativity. Well, your support helps this channel grow, and I appreciate each and every subscription. Not yet. While Gemini 3 is extremely impressive, OpenAI is not standing still. They are already working on new ChatGPT updates, GPT 4.2, GPT 5, and an internal model rumored to outperform Gemini 3 in the certain test cases. And at this moment, there is no final winner. Both companies are improving rapidly, and the AI landscape is changing each and every month. Before closing, here is something important to know. According to the multiple reports, OpenAI is also working on new internal model codenamed Garlic. This model has not been released yet and the details are limited, but early information suggests that it could be one of the most powerful models OpenAI has ever developed. In the next video, I will explain what actually this Garlic is, what the leaks say, and how it could impact the AI race. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that breakdown. Well, thank you for watching. If you want more AI news, tools, reviews, and simple explanation of biggest AI stories, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment on what topic you want me to cover the next. This AI revolution is accelerating and I will keep you updated every step of the way.